Hello everyone, welcome to the Key Stage 2 Succeed in Math YouTube channel. Today's video is part 1 of the Year 6 2018 Maths SATs Paper 3 Reasoning walkthrough video. This video consists of working out and solutions to the 2018 SATs questions. If you would like to print out these questions before beginning this video, I have linked them in the description box below, so please check that out now. Make sure you have all the equipment ready, which includes paper, pencil, ruler and rubber. Before continuing, please could you subscribe to my YouTube channel. When you have everything ready, let's begin. Please take a moment now to pause the video here and read these instructions for yourself. Here we have question 1. The numbers in this sequence increase by the same amount each time. Write the missing numbers. We can see two numbers one after another, and we're going to use these two numbers to work out how much the sequence increases by the same amount each time. So we can work this out mentally. To get from 42 to 49, we are adding on 7. So that means each time we must add on 7. Same thing from here, this number that we don't know, if we add 7 to it, we get 42. We're going to first start off by working out this number. 49 plus 7 is 56. You can either work this out mentally like I did now, or you can use a simple column method, or you can just count using your fingers or in your head. 56 plus 7 equals 63. We must check that this is correct. 63 plus 7 gives us 70. Now for this first number here, we know that if we add 7 to it, we get 42. Add 7 equals 42. So if we do the opposite, we will get that number. 42 minus 7 gives us that number. 42 minus 7 is 35. 35, 56 and 70 are our answers. Question 2. Adam chooses the colours for a new team shirt. The shirt has 2 colours. There are 4 colours to choose from: yellow, blue, white and red. Write the 2 missing combinations. The shirt could be yellow and blue, yellow and white, yellow and red, blue and white, and then we've got 2 missing ones that we need to write in. They first started off with the colour yellow and paired it with blue. Then they've done yellow with the white, yellow with the red. Then the blue one, we've got blue and the white. Blue and yellow we already have here, so we don't need that anymore. Blue and the white, which is here. Blue and red, don't have that here, so we're going to write that down. Blue and red. Next one, moving on to the white one. White and yellow, we've already got that. White and blue, we've already got that one as well. White and red, we don't have that, so that's our next combination. White and red. And those are our 2 answers. Moving on, question 3. There are 4 number cards. Layla uses each card once to make a 4-digit number. She places 4 in the tens column, 2 so that it has a higher value than any of the other digits, the remaining 2 digits so that the 7 has the higher value. We're going to start off with our first bullet point, 4 in the tens column. If we look at our 4 boxes, here we have our ones column. The next one is our tens column. The next one is our hundreds column. And the next one is our thousands column, like so. So if she places the 4 in the tens column, that would go in this box here. And we can tick that number off, and also that bullet point. Next one, 2 so that it has a higher value than any of the other digits. Well, this is our thousands column, and that has the highest value compared to all our other boxes. That means our 2 must go in this one, like so. Tick the 2 off, and also the bullet point. Next one, the remaining 2 digits so that 7 has the higher value. Our remaining 2 digits are 3 and 7, and we are placing 7 in the higher value. Well, what we have left is the ones column and the hundreds column. Which is bigger? Well, that's the hundreds column, so we place the 7 in here and the 3 in this box. And our answer is 2,743. That is Layla's number. Question 4. Write the 3 missing digits to make this addition correct. When we are doing addition using our column method, we're going to first start off with our ones column, adding it down like so. That's our first missing number. 9 plus a number gives us 6. Well, we know that that can't work out because 9 is bigger than 6. So that means that our actual answer is 16, and they've just carried the 1 over. 9 plus a number gives us 16. Well, what number is that? That's 7. 9 plus 7 gives us 16. That means we have 1 that we've carried over. Something plus 2 plus this 1 that we've carried over gives us 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. Now if we check that again, 4 plus 2 is 6, plus the 1 is 7. Now our next column has been done for us. 2 plus 4 gives us 6. Next one, 3 plus 7 gives us 0. Well, we know that 3 plus 7 is 10, so that means that they've carried a 1 over. And our next one, 5 plus nothing plus this 1 gives us 6. And those are our answers in the boxes, 4, 7 and 6. Question 5. Tick the numbers that are common factors of both 12 and 18. We're going to start off by writing out all the factors of 12 and all of the factors of 18. Starting off with the factors of 12, our first one is 1. 1 times by 12, 12 is another 1. 2 and 6, 3 and 4, and then it would just repeat again. It would be 4 and 3, 6 and 2, 12 and 1. So those are our factors for 12. Now for 18, we're going to do the same thing. 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6, and then after that it would just repeat. So those are our factors of 12 and those for 18. Now, which ones are in common? We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, and we have 6. Those are our common factors. And we can see on our list here, we've got 2, 3 and 6. I'm just going to tick all of them. Make sure that you tick all of them and not just one of them. Question 6. This chart shows the number of different types of big cat in a zoo. There are 20 big cats in the zoo altogether. Here are some statements about the chart. Tick the statements that are true. The first statement is, there are more cheetahs than jaguars. Now if we look at this, we can see that a quarter of this pie chart, that means that a quarter of 20 are cheetahs and less than a quarter are jaguars. We know that this is a quarter of the pie chart because we can see that there's a right angle there. However, for the jaguar, a quarter would be right down the centre like so. And we can see that it is less. So this is correct. There are more jaguars. There are more cheetahs than jaguars. There are less jaguars than cheetahs. Now, the total number of lions and tigers is 10. Well, to represent 10 on this pie chart, we know that 20 is the total, 10 is half of 20, that means to represent 10 on a pie chart it would just be a half, right down the middle. And we can see lions and tigers, that's over a half, so that's not right. We're not going to tick that one. The next one, 1/4 of the big cats are cheetahs. As I mentioned before, yes, that's a quarter because we know because of the right angle. So that's right. Now this last statement here, there are more than 5 jaguars, is not right. That's because to represent 5 on this pie chart, if we do 20 divided by 5, we get 4. So that means that if we split our pie chart into 4 sections, one of those sections would equal 5. And if we look at the jaguars, that's less than a quarter, so that's not right. These are the 2 correct boxes that you should have ticked. Question 7. A farmer is packing eggs. Each box holds 6 eggs. The farmer has 980 eggs to pack. How many boxes can the farmer fill using 980 eggs? For this, we need to use the bus stop method to do division. (980) divided by 6. 6 goes into 9 once, with a remainder of 3. 6 goes into 38 6 times, with a remainder of 2. 6 goes into 20 3 times, and that leaves a remainder of 2. That means the number of full boxes that we can get using 980 eggs is 163. Our next question is, how many eggs will be left over, and we work that out, it will be 2. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Part 1 will be coming out shortly, so please don't miss that. Please also subscribe and click the bell button to be notified of new videos. And please check out my Instagram account, which I have linked in the description box below. I post regularly on there, and I will notify you of new and upcoming videos. I hope to see you soon. Bye for now.